To do with intelligence and smarts and education.
We hired psychologist Dr. Michael Shermer, editor of Skeptics magazine, to help explain why our brains sometimes deceive us.
It has to do with our emotional brains that really, it turns out, run a lot more of our behavior than we like to acknowledge. We're pretty irrational.
Shermer says there are many ways our brains can play tricks on us. Like the illustration above, it has to do with the way our eyes take in information.
Nancy, how are you, Nancy?
We invite a group of people to this theater and ask them to do several tasks. First, we have them look at some photos. It's a test to see if they'll see what's truly in front of them, or will their brains trick them.
What do you think about this one?
You at home can follow along. Take a good look at this picture. What do you see?
I immediately thought it was a woman's butt, but just as soon as I thought that, my mind tried to see it as something else.
It looks like she's coming out the shower and she has like velvet pants that she's pulling off.
Just about everyone in the audience saw a woman's backside. So what are we really looking at?
It's a famous shoe ad. This is the Via Uno sandals. That's just 2 feet side by side. Those are the heels.
Give us the wide shot there.
Yeah.
So why do we see something titillating when it's just part of a foot? Dr. Shermer says it's because the brain is always on the lookout for something it can easily recognize.
So the way the brain works is that we have models in our brain of the way the world is, and then as the data comes in, we force it to fit the model.